What if you didn't have to compromise on anything? Most homes are missing something, but this one isn't. Fully finished, thoughtfully designed, ready from day one. From your private backyard retreat to everyday comfort, in one of Calgary's most loved lake communities, the most complete home in Auburn Bay under $600,000.